Artabulous YouTube, it's Artabulous back again with another vegan cooking video. In this video, I'm going to have you join me as I prepare a chicken salad sandwich. But before we get started, I want you guys to click that like button and subscribe and tell me in the comments below what your favorite type of salad is. Now let's get started. First things first, saute your desired brand of vegan chicken strips. When done, place them on a chopping board and cut them into thin slices. After you have sliced all of the chicken strips, put them in a medium-sized bowl, then add your seasoning of choice. I use salt, paprika, and 21 seasonings from Trader Joe's. Next, add about 3 tablespoons of vegan mayonnaise and stir until well combined. That's it. You're all done and you can serve it however you want, plain, on crackers, or like I did as a sandwich. I served mine on pumpernickel bread and lettuce with a side of chips, and it was delish. I hope you guys like this recipe and try it at home. Tell me in the comments below if you do and how you liked it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this, and turn on post notifications to be the first to see the video that I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. See you guys in the next video. Peace!